Hello, my friends. Guess what? I have some fun items to share with you. And the best part about them is they coordinate with our club set, dun, 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 Tropical Vibes. Are you ready? Let's go on a little vacation. Look, I'm like going on a little vacation. First of all, we have this absolutely, positively adorable 70's bus. So let's look at all of the packaging first, and then I'll show you all of the awesome samples. And just a heads up, Miller went through, my 4-year-old grandson, went through all of my cards and he picked his favorite. So I'm going to share that with you as well. Miller has a favorite. So here we go. First, let's start with the sayings and the patterns for the shirts, for the Tropical Vibes. So here we have lots of fun sayings. Be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and stay sweet inside. Sending lay love and positive vibes, laying down a big hello, sending warm breezes your way, lay back and relax, sending pineapple smiles. Look at how adorable. And the pattern is a pineapple for the shirt. Okay, here's another one. 2 more patterns. This is a fun little tropical pattern. This one has 2 different kinds of flowers on it. Hibiscus hugs, because one of the flowers is a hibiscus. Be a flamingo in a flock of pigeons. Stand out. Sending you tropical thoughts. Hello. Flamingo fun for another year done. Okay, awesome, right? And the fun patterns. Here we go. Here's that 70's bus. Look, I love it. It is a folded, and let me just tell you, I had the best time designing this one. It was so much fun playing with that wave and having it work. Oh, I love it. I can't wait to show you all the samples. Then we have, this one is really fun, and I want to show you, hang on, let me find the one I really want to show you, because this is going to give you the idea of what this is. So this frame, first of all, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of those leaves are just extras, right? They are going to layer on your frame if you want it to. But look at the black part of this frame. It can go vertical or horizontal. And it has these fun leaves literally just popping out, right? And going into the inside of your card. So you can make the background paper yourself. And then look at how adorable those leaves are. This is just in black. Imagine what it looks like in color, right? So I can't wait to show you more samples of that. Then we have a new A2 tri background. I know a lot of you have been asking for more of the A2 tri backgrounds, and boom, this one is going to fit that bill. Now, there's an interesting thing to note on this one though. When you die cut it, you're going to notice that the dies are flipped, meaning they're the reverse of all of the other tri background A2 dies. That's a good thing. Why is it a good thing? I wanted to do that because I want you to remember that you can flip these dies as well. So if you don't want it flipped, you just turn it over, right? Or if you do want it flipped, you turn it over. Yes, it still coordinates 100% with all of the other A2 tri backgrounds. This is just giving you another option, and it's encouraging you to use it a different way, right? By flipping it. So you're gonna have lots of fun with this one. Also, hello, can I just tell you that Sandcastle, I am absolutely in love. Let me show you a sample of it. Look how fun that is. The sandcastle is optional. You don't have to do the sandcastle. Look at the fun die for the water and the palm leaves up at the top. Do you notice this full-on tropical theme? Yes, Stephanie needs a vacation. This is my vacation, right? I get to play with all of this. This is my vacation. Look at how awesome that is. We have our leaves, we have our sandcastle, and we have our gorgeous water. Again, all of these dies are able to go with all of the other A2 tri background dies. I know. Just, you know, that's what I'm all about. I'm all about you using things that you've already bought from us, getting them out again, using them with something new, and interchanging them. They all go together, which is really fun because it just gives you more bang for your buck, right? Now, the last die set I want to share with you tonight, or today, is, look at this one. Now, this is called the Fold and Pop Card Die Set. Nancy Legate sent this one to us, and so she's going to get a free one of these. But this one is so adorable and it's so different and I love it. I'm going to demonstrate this on a crafting corner. Rest assured, you will get a full-on instructional video for this. But I just want you to see, yes, it's A2 when folded. Look how flat it is. Ready? When you open it, it literally pops open like this. Look at this, you guys. So there's pieces here. It goes like this. Now, I know this looks intense, right? But you know me. I don't do difficult. I don't do frustrating. I don't do anything. If it's not easy, I don't do it. Okay? So rest assured, it will be easy to do. And look at how adorable it is. And I have lots of other samples to show you. let's jump in and look at all these amazing samples because our design team works so hard on making these amazing samples. So here's another Tri Background A2. Again, love the water. I think that water is probably one of my favorites for the Tri Backgrounds. So here's another one with that fun sandcastle. Oh, we have our little pelican. I love pelicans. Look at this one. Open this up. Look at that. The little beach pail. I absolutely love that. That's from the Sandcastle to Stamp die set. And I absolutely love that. And oh, look at the cute little anchor. That is from the sailboat dies. Here we go. Here's another one. Oh, another. Look at that. Flying by to say happy birthday. Here we have that castle. Oh, and our little sea turtles. Oh, I absolutely love that. That is so fun. Those are from the fish tank to stamp and the more fish tank. Okay, here's another one. Look at this one. Oh, this one has the leaves as a shaker, you guys. Isn't that awesome? And look, extra glitter for the ocean. I love it, love it, love it. Now, I don't know what to show you next. Okay, let's look at these. Here we go. Make your own background paper. You guys know that I talk about that a lot. Here's another one. Make your own background paper. And I know some of you are saying, oh, that's just too complicated. The best thing to do is just take a couple stamps and some markers or just some colored ink, sit in front of the TV, watch a show, and mindlessly stamp. It is so fun and relaxing just to stamp and not worry about, oh, is this going to look right? No, just make a background. Just make a background. Here's a cute one. Oh, this might be a little sneak peek. I don't know, just saying. Look at this surfboard. Yes, the surfboard Fold It is a slimline Fold It available on our website. Yes, it is. Look at those fun colored shirts. I love this. Now, slimline Fold It or a slimline card. 3 fit perfectly. Look at how awesome those are. All decorated, ready to go. Slimline, regular size card, or 5x7 flip it, right? Look how awesome that is. Happy birthday. Perfect for the guy in your life as well, right? Oh gosh, what's next? Okay, let's do the palm frame because I don't know if you're going to realize right off the bat how awesome this one is. And I'm going to hold up a couple just so you can see the difference. Ooh, add our sun. Love that. Love that adding of the sun. Here's another one with, ooh, the Newport background. Newport A2 background is on this one. Love it. Look at the differences. Totally different. Oh, but wait. Look at this one. Look at this one. Oh, look at that. And it's, yes, my friend, yes, my friends, it is an amazing shaker with our big thanks word. That thanks word is on our website. It's available on our website. And look at how stunningly beautiful those are. Horizontal or vertical. Now, I have a couple more of those. So here's a cute one with our fun little toucan. And here's one with the leaves. Now, I love this one too because the shirt is in front of one of the leaves, but behind some of the others. Different layering options. Isn't that fun? And I love that. Now, you are getting those extra leaves. So on this one, Yvette added extra leaves. So you're getting those extra leaves, which is really extra nice because then you can mix and match, right? You can make them different colors if you want to. Okay, 70s bus. Are you ready for this? You guys, first of all, look at this. Is that the cutest? You go, girl. Look at that. Love that. Now, here's another one. Are you ready for this one? Look at this one. Ta-da! Isn't that cute? On an A2 card base, just a half version. Love that. Dude, happy birthday, dude. Wishing you a seriously super duper birthday. What happens at the beach stays at the beach. I love that. So that is using the typewriter font, the birthday strips to stamp, lots of birthday to stamp, and the cloud border and the beach background die. I love that. Love that, love that. Here's a fun one with the palm tree sticking out of the bus. Isn't that awesome? Summer lovin'. Look how fun that is. I love that with the cute little shells. Here is one, just paper pieced together. Look how cute that is. I love it. And the windows, it's nice. The windows are all separate, so they pop out right away. So you can easily add a different color or not add a color at all and just have it be empty, right? So the choice is yours. Look at this. Look at all of those flowers on there. This is using the Tropical Vibe dies and the Tropical Vibe Sayings. All those dies, club set. My club members, you have all of these dies on the top, or they're coming to you. Isn't that awesome? You can make your own little display, layering those fun little flowers. Now, this one gets the award for Miller's favorite. I still have some box cubes to show you, so stay tuned. But this one gets the award for Miller's favorite. He was going through all my cards, and he's very gentle. He's very good. This one, he said, this one is cute. And he said, it's the best. So this was his favorite. Sheila, you won the Miller Award. We're going to have to start doing Miller and Liam Awards. This one is the Miller Award. He loved the colors. And it says, let the good times roll. So this was Miller's favorite. Liam didn't go through. Are you ready for my pop-up boxes? These are so... Now, again, I need you to remember, rest assured, I will do an instructional video that shows you step by step how dang easy this is to do. Ready? And it also comes with, you guys, let me show you really quick. It also comes with lots of extra pieces. So remember, the extra pieces are just extras. Don't let it overwhelm you. But it has a big die in the back, has a little die in the front. You're getting all these layering pieces if you want. You're getting a cute flower, a little cupcake, some leaves. You're getting a little bird, and you're getting a little tree. Now, you will notice, my friends, that little bird coordinates with our Fold It Club this month. Now, if you're not in our Fold It Club, you have to get in this month because once it's gone forever. But we have the big version of the Fold It Club in that little birdie that's hiding. And here's that birdie right up close and personal so you can see it. But there's that fun little birdie in a small version. And when we open this up, you go, ooh, it pops open. It literally does pop open. So you don't have to worry about people not knowing how to do it. And if it pops up, if it goes like this and it stays, that just means it hasn't been scored enough. So I'll show you how to do that in the video. But don't worry, it just needs to be scored more. But look how cute that is. Isn't that awesome? And then folds flat for mailing, A2 in size. Yes, yes, Nancy's awesome. Ready? Are we ready for this one? Let's pop it open. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that fun? I love it. And it has this little frame on the inside that literally opens just like that. That's our cute little birthday cats. Love it. Here's another, oh, there's that bird again. So we're going to open this one up, pop it open, and look at that. Isn't that fun? And what's this one say on the inside? Holiday wishes. Oh, isn't that sweet? Okay, imagine sending this to someone for Christmas. This would literally stay with their Christmas stuff, and every Christmas they would get it out to show it because it's so amazing. And it's so dang easy. Just don't tell them it's easy, okay? Tell them, yeah, it took me like about 4 hours each, you know, but it's worth it. Look how cute these little guys are. Isn't that awesome? Look how cute those little birdies are. Now, last but not least, so this sprinkles die in the background that you see here, yes, that's included in the die set. So let's open that up. Look how fun that is all the way around. Love it. Love it, love it. Now, if you want to write a message, my friends, here is where you're going to write your message. You can put 2 panels here, and you can add your message right on the back. Oh my goodness gracious, you guys. If you still stayed with me, you are awesome. Also, the first 24 hours, these are brand new on our website. They come in a bundle. What does the word bundle mean at the Stamps of Life? It means you save even more. So I give you that extra discount, and you are able to get everything I just showed in this video at an extra special, not only flash sale price, but a bundle price and club member discount on top of that. I know, it's amazing. And you earn club points. It's amazing. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Get them quick before they sell out at the flash sale price, because you know what? You can't beat that extra discount. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.